Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we are going to continue with the third exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Moving on to question number 12. Rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. Now you have this number that is 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. Normally we have two numbers which are separated by a sign. यहाँ पे denominator में we are having three numbers. Okay, root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. So ऐसे केस में how will we find the rationalizing factor? So what we'll do over here is जो root दिख रहा है we'll group them. तो ये मेरा एक नंबर हो गया, ये मेरा दूसरा नंबर हो गया. ओके, विच इज सेपरेटेड बाय प्लस साइन. व्हाट आई डिड ओवर हियर इज रूट्स को ग्रुप कर लिया. दो दैट इज माय वन नंबर, आई एम कंसिडरिंग इट एज 1 एंड ओवर हियर इट इज अनदर नंबर विच इज सेपरेटेड एंड बोथ दीज आर सेपरेटेड बाय प्लस साइन. सो इसका रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा? This is one number, this is another number. So इसका rationalizing factor will be root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. Okay, put these in box brackets. So I'll multiply in both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. Now numerator में we'll get root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 upon this is going to be a plus b. ये मेरा पूरा a है और this is b and यहाँ पे this is a and this is b. So it is going to be of the form a square minus b square. a plus b into a minus b है. Okay, तो a square, a is root 3 minus root 2, so root 3 minus root 2 square minus b square, that is 1 square. So it is root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 upon a minus b the whole square. ये पूरा है. अब मैं इसको expand करूँगी. So we'll expand this now. root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 square. ये एक्सपेंशन हो गया a minus b the whole square का and over here minus 1 square gives 1. Now root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 upon root 3 square is 3 minus 2 into square root we can take common. 3 into 2 gives 6 plus root 2 square gives 2 minus 1. So it is root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 gives 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 6. Now denominator में we have two numbers separated by a sign. Okay, so now we are getting normal वाला case, that is अब इसको हम लोग rationalize करते हैं. rationalizing factor हो जाएगा 4 plus 2 root 6. so we rationalize once again. पहले what we did, इसको ग्रुप कर लिया, रूट्स को ग्रुप कर लिया. so that was one number and इसको हम लोग ने दूसरा नंबर कंसिडर किया and we rationalized it by this rationalizing factor. We solved it. On solving we are getting root in the denominator, so we will have to rationalize once again till the root is removed. So we'll multiply by rationalizing factor again. We still have root in the denominator, so we'll have to rationalize once again. Now denominator में 2 common आ रहा है, so let us take 2 common. 2 into 2 minus root 6. Now we'll multiplying by the rationalizing factor of this number. So इसका rationalizing factor हो जाएगा 2 plus root 6. So multiplying by 2 plus root 6 in both numerator and denominator. 2 is rational, इसलिए 2 को नहीं कंसिडर किया है, only this number. ओके इसका rationalizing factor से multiply करेंगे. So root 3 into 2 plus root 6 minus root 2 into 2 plus root 6. I am multiplying each number with this bracket. So root 3 into this bracket minus root 2 into this bracket minus 1 into the bracket upon 2. ऐसे ही रहेगा. This will be of the form a square minus b square. So 2 square minus root 6 square. Okay. Put the box brackets to avoid confusion, वरना 2 multiply करना भूल जाओगे. So put a bracket so that you'll remember later कि इसके साथ भी multiply करना है, इसके साथ भी multiply करना है. Root 3 into 2 gives 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 6 gives root 18 minus 2 root 2 minus root 2 into root 6 gives root 12 minus 2 minus root 6 upon 2 will remain as it is. Bracket में we have 2 square, that is 4, minus root 6 square is 6. 2 root 3 plus root 18 को I can write as 2 into 9. You have to factorize for that. Perfect square लेकर आना है. If you have 2 root 2 minus root 12 will be 3 into 4. यहाँ पे 9 is perfect square, 4 is perfect square, minus 2 minus root 6 upon 2 into 4 minus 6 gives minus 2. So 2 root 3 plus 9 का square root is 3. 2 will remain as it is. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 minus 4 का square root is 2 and root 3. 3 अंदर ही रहेगा root में. Minus 2 minus root 6. Now 2 root 3 minus root 2 root 3 cancel हो जाएगा. Okay. Denominator में we have minus 4. 2 into minus 2 gives minus 4. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 gives root 2. That is 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 root 2, that is root 2. Minus 2 minus root 6 upon minus 4. If I take minus on the top, that is numerator में ले लिया, so we get minus root 2 plus 2 plus root 6 upon 4. So this is your final answer. That is 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to minus root 2 plus 2 plus root 6 upon 4. Denominator is rationalized. Okay, कुछ भी रूट वाला टर्म नहीं है एंड कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं निकल रहा है. दिस इज टोटली सिंप्लीफाइड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. If root 2 is equal to 1.4 and root 3 is equal to 1.7, find the value of each of the following correct to 1 decimal place. Now, we have to rationalize each of them first. Okay, so we'll rationalize the numbers first and then we'll substitute the values given to us, that is decimal values. Okay. So rationalizing 1 upon root 3 minus root 2. So rationalizing factor है इसका root 3 plus root 2. 1 into root 3 plus root 2 gives root 3 plus root 2. Denominator में we get a square minus b square, that is root 3 square minus root 2 square root 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2. Root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so root 3 plus root 2 हो जाएगा. Okay, so denominator is totally rationalized. Numerator में we have root 3 plus root 2. Now we'll substitute the values. So 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 is equal to root 3 plus root 2, which gives root 3 का value is 1.7 and root 2 का value is 1.4. So it is going to be 3.1. So we have got the answer correct to 1 decimal place. Okay. Moving on to the second part of the question, 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Now इसका rationalizing factor हो जाएगा 3 minus 2 root 2. So multiplying by 3 minus 2 root 2 in both numerator and denominator. 1 into 3 minus 2 root 2 gives 3 minus 2 root 2. This will be of the form a square minus b square. 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2. So this will be 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 9 minus 8. So this will be 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 1. So it is 3 minus 2 root 2. Now the denominator is rationalized. Now we'll substitute the value of root. So 3 minus 2 into root 2 is 1.4. So 3 minus, it is going to be 2.8. So it is 0.2. So we have got the answer correct to 1 decimal place. So 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0.2. Now the next number is 2 minus root 3 upon root 3. We'll rationalize the denominator. Root 3 का rationalizing factor will be root 3. So 2 minus root 3 upon root 3, multiplying it by root 3, we'll get root 3 into 2 minus root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 gives 3. Now opening the brackets, 2 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 will be 3 upon 3. Now we'll substitute the value. The denominator is rationalized. Okay. So root का value substitute करेंगे. Root 3 is 1.7. We get 2 into 1.7 is 3.4 minus 3 upon 3. So it will be 0.4 upon 3. Now 4 by 3, dividing 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3. We get 1. 10 हो जाएगा. So it is going to be 3 3s are 9. Again 10. So 1.33 है. But we have 0.4 over here. So it will be 0.133. Okay. यहाँ पे डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो जाएगा लेफ्ट में, बिकॉज यहाँ पे 4 की जगह पे आई हैव 0.4. सो इफ 4 का 1.33 है तो 0.4 का हो जाएगा 0.133. ओके. नाउ 0.133 है. आई वॉन्ट द आंसर करेक्ट टू 1 decimal place. सो आई विल बी इग्नोरिंग दीज नंबर्स. यहाँ पे द नंबर इज लेस देन 5. इफ द नंबर इज लेस देन 5, सो आई लेट द नंबर बिफोर इट बी एज इट इज. सो 1 एज इट इज रहेगा, कुछ ऐड नहीं होगा. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 minus root 3 upon root 3 is 0.1.